Hello and welcome to Indian Curry Recipes. Today we are making aloo gobi. These are the ingredients. I'll tell you all the ingredients one by one once I start adding it in the pan. It's all 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste will be 2 tablespoons. I'm using cauliflower and 4 to 5 potatoes mashed, boiled and mashed. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil and heat the 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once it's crackled and heated up, add the onion, 1 onion slit, add 1 teaspoon turmeric. Mix this really well. Once it's brown, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tomato, medium sized, chopped. Add little bit of water, from 1 cup of water. Remaining we'll add it later. Stir this really well. Use the back of the spoon to mash it. Add salt as per your taste. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. You can use Kashmiri red chili powder. Cumin and coriander seeds 1 teaspoon each. Stir this really well. Add the remaining water. Now add the chopped cauliflower, and you can use, in India they say papdi, here it's manged out, and cover and cook it for 15 minutes. Now add the boiled potatoes. Make sure you keep stirring. Add a little bit of water. Stir this well. The potatoes will soak the water. Keep stirring every 5 to 10 minutes. Now add the asafoetida 1 teaspoon and chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Cover and cook this for further 15 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. Add fresh green peas. You can avoid this if you don't like peas. Stir this and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You can eat this with any puris, chapatis, rice, any bread of your choice. Garnish with coriander and serve it hot. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to Indian Curry Recipes for new updates and more recipes. Thank you. Bye.